Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Honeywell thermostat that is blinking on, cool on, but the AC is not working. So first of all, do not panic if you just change the temperature settings or restored the power. A flashing cooling on message often means that the thermostat is in the compressor protection mode, and Honeywell thermostats typically delay the AC startups for about 5 minutes to protect the compressor from the damage. Therefore, you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes before trying any of the other fixes. Now, even after this particular time duration, it is still blinking the cool on message. The second thing that you need to do is to simply verify that the temperature or the thermostat is actually set to cool mode. Also, you need to make sure that the temperature is set to at least 3 to 5 degrees below the current room temperature. Otherwise, the thermostat may not send a cooling signal to the air conditioner. Now, if the cool on message keeps blinking, you can inspect your home's electrical panel and look for any of the tripped breaker labeled AC, air conditioner, furnace, or HVAC. So if you find one, you just have to do nothing but to just simply reset it, and then you need to give the system a few minutes to restart again. Now you can also check the thermostat batteries if your model uses them. Sometimes the low batteries can cause the communication problems and prevent the thermostat from properly controlling the cooling system. So you can also install the fresh alkaline batteries and then you can test the AC again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your thermostat is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.